guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have a new to me indie makeup brand to try out for you guys today. A brand that's becoming really popular with a lot of you, especially here on YouTube, and that is It's Belle Cosmetics. I picked up their latest palette, which is the Cool Summer palette. This is in stock right now on their website. It retails for $48. I don't have a code with It's Belle, but I think my friend Smithy has one, and I know I saw another one floating around on Instagram, so I will have either Smithy's code or an It's Belle, like I think it was like a thank you or something. I'll put a code in the description box in case you like this palette and you want to pick it up. So here is what the cover of the palette looks like. And when we open it up, we do get a mirror, and here are all of the gorgeous shades. This is a 16 pan palette that's full of shimmers, metallic, and duochromes. Of course, we are getting some matte shades in here. Now, they do recommend, and I'm reading it on the back of the palette because it has the application tips on the back. It says that for maximum pigmentation, to use your fingertips when applying some of the pressed pigments like the shimmer shadows. It also says to use a glitter glue or glitter primer just so that that'll alleviate some of the fallout. So I am very excited to welcome It's Belle Cosmetics into my stash. I'm very excited. I'll be creating 3 looks with the Cool Summer palette, and in case it is your first time here on my channel, I think you picked a good video to watch. Hello and welcome first and foremost. My name is Steph. This is what I love doing. I love to try new makeup, so you'll always see new makeup reviews, multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, which is what you're getting today, makeup ranking videos. If all of that sounds great to you and you want to check out my videos on pretty much a daily basis, because I do upload quite a bit, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the bell so that way you'll get a notification every time I do drop a new video. I tend to upload in the evenings, and if you like what you see, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Before you go, as usual, everything I'm using, both on and off camera, will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I am still rocking this like crimped wavy hair. I bought myself a new it's called Chi Vibes styling or wave iron or something like that. I talked about it in my last video where I was reviewing the New Mood palette from Beauty Bay, but I'll have the iron linked in the description box in case you want to check it out. I saw an Instagram reel. Some girl was trying it out. Her hair was my length. It looked so cute. So I decided to get it and try it for myself. If you guys want to see the 3 looks I'm about to create with the Cool Summer palette from It's Belle Cosmetics, keep on watching. Now, I've already primed my eyelids using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. This has been my ride or die eyeshadow primer for the last couple months now. I really do enjoy that one. Okay, so let's open up this palette. So many fun colors. Like, this makes me want to go on vacation all over again. I'm really drawn to the shade right here. The shade is called Margarita. So I think I'm going to start packing this in the crease. I'm taking this shade on a Game Beauty E01. I love a minty green, minty blue shade like this. So pretty. Let me know if you've tried It's Belle before. What are some of your favorite products from the brand? All right, so that shade built up really well. I'm loving it. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this blue shade called Seaside, and I'm gonna take that on a Rephr 14. Well, this is a nice blue, and they blend together really well. Now for shimmer, I think I'm going to go in with these 2 shades right here, and I am going to use my NYX Glitter Primer. So I'm going to start first with this shade right here. This one is called Blueberry Pop. Just put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to apply this right here to where I'm gonna place the shimmer. Now I'm picking up Blueberry Pop with that same brush. This is a Morphe M124. Wow, that's beautiful. I've always heard that It's Belle has an amazing shimmer formula. And it's a very textured shade. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up Waves, which is the lighter blue. Now I'm going back in with the Rephr 14 and a little bit of Seaside, this dark matte blue. You want to be careful after you lay down the pigment that you don't really mess with it all that much. Look at that, that's beautiful. Oof. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this green shade down here. This one is called Palmera. I'm taking that on a BK 204. All right, now I still have some of the glitter primer on the back of my hand, so I'm going to take this, put it right here. I think I'm going to go in with that green shimmer. It's called, right here, this one, Summer Nights. This is a Rephr 03. Wow. These two shades on the lid, nothing else, beautiful. Okay guys, I am gonna do the finishing touches off camera and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. Okay guys, here's the completed look number 1. The mascara I'll be using in today's video is this one right here from Maybelline. It is the Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara. I did add the Shop Miss A Alexis lashes. They're kind of like a half lash because I have trimmed them down quite a bit. And for the lower waterline, a LA Girl Neon Shockwave Liner. This one is the green one. It's in the shade Gotcha. This is the look. I love it. You can see the different reflex that are in the duochrome. It's just so pretty. And this green is really good. Let's move over to the left eye and start working on look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I think I want to go up here to this row. I think I'm going to start with this shade and then work my way into this shade. So the first shade that I'm going to use is called Seashells. I'm taking Seashells on a BK A503. Actually, I'm thinking I'm gonna do something a bit more muted up here and save that pop of coral for the lower lash line. So I'm liking this shade. This is just like a good all over shade. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna do it all over the lid. This one's called Pink Lemonade. I am putting some glitter primer first. Now I'm going to go back in with Seashells. Okay, so see, something just very soft. Now I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm going to pick some up with my finger. This one's called Summer Glow. I'm going to add that right here in the center. Wow. This is also going to be my inner corner. So they did say using your finger is best for these shades, like you'll get the maximum payoff, but my nails are a little long right now, so I'll do this little number right here in the center, but I wouldn't want to use it, I wouldn't want to use my finger to do like an all over lid, but that looks really, really pretty. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with that coral shade. It's called It's Flamingo. I'm going to take that on a Rephr 26. Now, if you didn't want to add all this color, then you could just carry the matte shade that we used down here as well. And it would definitely be a softer, less dramatic look. Because definitely adding this bright of a shade is going to change everything. Okay, now in a Refer 03, I'm taking some of the glitter primer. Now I'm going back in with Summer Glow. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the finishing touches off camera and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. Alright guys, so here's the completed look number 2. I added, well, same lash and mascara, and then for the waterline, this one from ColourPop. This one's from that Cherries collection they had a while back. This one's called Cherry Pie. And here's the look. Now you don't have to do, again, something so dramatic on the bottom. You could have easily just carried that same matte shade down and just really made this a soft look. I'm trying to use as many shades as I can in the palette, so that's why I went this route. But if you don't want a dramatic look, if you want just something for every day, but you still want to have a little bit of sparkle, do it that way that I just mentioned, and I think it'll look beautiful. So far, these shadows are just so sparkly, so beautiful. Like, I understand now why people are so excited about this brand, in particular their shimmer formula, because I think it is just, ooh, it's just so pretty to look at. Okay guys, I think I'm going to remove this look. I feel like it's going to be easier for this to come off, and I'll be right back and we'll start working on the third and final look. Alright, so let's start working on look number 3. So I definitely need to use this row because I haven't touched that at all, and I haven't used this shade over here. So there are 5 shades. We'll see if I can use all of them. Oh, and I haven't used this one. Don't know that I'll get to use all of them, but let's see. I think I'm gonna work with this shade first, Flip Flops, and then I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Boozy Lavender. So I'm taking Flip Flops on a What's Up Beauty R103. I'm gonna focus that like this inner half. Now on a Refer 14, I'm going to go in with Boozy Lavender. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. I'm not too concerned about like this area since that's going to be covered up. These 2 shades are beautiful together though. Okay, let me leave that alone. Now I'm gonna do these 2 shades right here. So I'm gonna start first with the blue and then go into this purple. This one is called Bikini. I'm gonna take my glitter primer. I'm taking the shade Bikini. That is a stunning shade. Now we're gonna go in with Festival Lights. Oh, that is so pretty. Adding a little bit of Boozy Lavender. A little bit more of Flip Flops. For the lower lash line, I guess I'll go in with Pistachio Sundae, and with that I'll have used all of the matte shades. And I'm taking that on a BK207. I think I'm going to have to deepen this shade up a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of Boozy Lavender with this pencil brush. Alright, now I'm going to add some of the glitter primer right in here. And I'm going in with Blue Caraco. And with this shade, I've officially used all of them in the palette. And oh my goodness, how beautiful is this shade. Wow. Okay guys, I am going to do the finishing touches off camera. And I'll be right back and I'll show you this completed third and final look. Okay guys, here's the completed third look. I think we saved the best for last. What do you guys think? For the lower waterline, a NYX Epic Wear Eyeliner. This one is a good one. This one is in the shade Blue Trip. how beautiful are these shades, guys? Look at these shimmer shadows. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and share with you guys my final thoughts on It's Belle Cosmetics and their new Cool Summer palette. Okay guys, so 3 looks later, I have officially used all of the shades in this pretty awesome palette from It's Belle Cosmetics. 16 amazing shades. So there were no duds in this palette. Every shadow that I applied, every shadow that I worked with, just did amazing things. It performed so well. I think for $48 minus the discount code that you can use, I think that's a very fair price point for this. It's an indie makeup brand. There are duochromes in here. I mean, there's really shifty shades, sparkly shades, just a whole bunch of shimmer goodness in this palette. The matte shades are perfect. Like these shades, everything just coordinates so well. You can mix and match pretty much anywhere within this palette and you're going to be okay. What I like about this palette, in particular the shimmers, is all you need is a matte shade and one of these amazing shimmer shades and you have a stunning look. You don't need to go overboard. You don't need to do like this type of look over here unless you want to, but that's the beauty of this. 2 shades and wow, it's just really awesome. What an amazing first experience with It's Belle Cosmetics. I thought they did a fantastic job with this. I love supporting indie makeup brands, small business whenever I can. The Cool Summer Pressed Pigment palette is definitely getting 2 huge thumbs up from me. I am so excited. I'm so happy that I tried this brand finally, and I look forward to trying lots more. Leave me your thoughts on today's video in the comments down below. Let me know what look you like best. Are you team 1, 2, 3, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.